subject name fundamental of digital electronics, subject code 3310702, unit name boolean function implementation, topic name sum of product and product of sum. Myself Sachin Patel, lecturer in electrical engineering, VPMP Polytechnic. Objective of today's lecture: to know about canonical sum of product, to know about canonical product of sum. First we are saying canonical sum of product. So inside that, logical sum of all the minterm for which the value of function become 1 is called canonical sum of product, अथवा એને સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સમ ઓફ પ્રોડક્ટ બી આપણે કહી શકીએ છીએ, અથવા એનું બીજું નામ છે સમ ઓફ પ્રોડક્ટ. યસ, this is SOP, the logical sum of all the minterms for which value of function become 1 is called canonical sum of product. એને આપણે બીજા SOP દ્વારા પણ દર્શાવી શકીએ છીએ. હવે ફંક્શનની કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ અથવા અનકોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ રૂપવાળી વેરિયેબલની પ્રોડક્ટને આપણે મીન ટર્મ કહીએ છીએ. કેનોનિકલ સમ ઓફ પ્રોડક્ટ અથવા સમ ઓફ પ્રોડક્ટ સમજતા પહેલા આપણને મીન ટર્મ ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. તો કોઈપણ ફંક્શનની કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ અને અનકોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ રૂપવાળી વેરિયેબલની પ્રોડક્ટ ટર્મને આપણે મીન ટર્મ કહીએ છીએ. એક્ઝામ્પલ ઉપરથી આપણે સમજવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરીએ. સપોઝ 3 મીન ટર્મ્સ ઓફ લોજિકલ ફંક્શન y are a dash b dash c, a dash b c dash and a b c. So in mean term we already know that if the product term ની જે વાત કરીએ છીએ એની વેલ્યુ જો 130 હોય, મીન ટર્મમાં જો વેરિયેબલની કિંમત 130 હોય તો તે અનકોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ રૂપમાં છે એમ કહી શકાય. અને આ જે મીન ટર્મની વેરિયેબલની કિંમત આપણે 0 થતી હોય તો એ કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ રૂપમાં છે એમ કહી શકાય. બરાબર? તો અહીંયા a dash b dash and c. C will indicate it is which value? 1. Here 1 we are taking for it is uncomplement form, and this is a 0 0 a dash b dash, that is a condition of mean terms. By the help of mean terms we are getting this word, and here a dash b c dash, that means c dash is 0, b is 1, we can say that, and here also 0. So 0 into 2 raised to 0 is 0, 1 into 2 raised to 1, that means 2. So based on that logical function, the decimal code we are getting proportional to these things, 3 min term is there, and at that a dash b dash and c we are getting 1. At that a dash b and c dash we are getting 2, that's a decimal code of that, and here a b c based on min terms, so we are getting here 7. So SOP can be shown as follows. આપણે એના સમ ઓફ પ્રોડક્ટ જોવું હોય તો પાછળ આપણે જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. See that y is equal to sigma pi આપણે કહી શકાય. તો m is mean term that here we are getting of that function 1, 2 and 7, and from that we are writing here m1, m2 and m7 because mean term is that. That's based on function of mean terms. So here that what we are writing here m1, m2 and m7 respect to this above line, and from that we are getting the mean terms. So a dash b dash c plus a dash b c dash plus a b c. To know about these things, how that can be, we are representing here. So this is the decimal equivalent number of that. And mean terms, the function of mean terms, it represented decimal equivalent. We can say that 0 and that, and this is 0 0 0 ABC. It will indicate the binary equivalent of that mean terms of function. This is a decimal number, we can say that 0 1 2 3, and that can represented by, for the mean terms here we are writing before that small m. So m0 will be there, here m1 is there, m2 small m2 is there, small m3 is there. So suppose we are taking this m7, this is the example. So the value of that ABC, that we can say in this table ABC is here. So the decimal equivalent will be become 7, and SOP of that we can representing by the help of this M7, and that will become a 1. We are saying that the logical sum of all the, yes, I am repeating again, the logical sum of all the mean term for which value of function become 1 is called the canonical sum of product, or we can say that sum of product. I am repeating so we can understand that things very easily. So this is regarding canonical sum of product. Now we are discussing the canonical product of sum. Here, based on that, first we knowing about mean term and max term. Okay, then after we can getting very easily logical product of all the max term for which value of function becomes 0 is called canonical product of sum. Here representing plus plus sign, but that will become in bracket form, and if we are multiplying that thing, so we are getting 0. That called a product of sum. Suppose the 3 max term of logical function y are a dash plus b dash plus c is there, second a dash plus b plus c dash, third a plus b plus c is there. So that decimal code are 650. See that this thing, it is reciprocal of above sum of product. એનું વિરુદ્ધાર્થી આપણે કહી શકીએ તો કઈ રીતે? Say that ABC, that will representing, I think in last example it will 7, but here the terms will change, max term is there. So min term and max terms we are knowing very easily, so we can identify these things. Max terms તો ફંક્શનની કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ અથવા અનકોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ રૂપવાળી વેરિયેબલની સમ ટર્મને મેક્સ ટર્મ કહેવામાં આવે છે. સમ ટર્મ એટલે જો અહીંયા સમેશન થાય છે, we can sing in these functions. Here also summation will be there, here also plus sign will be there. તો આ જે ટર્મ ભેગી થાય છે એને કહેવાય છે મેક્સ ટર્મ. And the logical product of all the max term for which value of function becomes 0, આ બધાની વેલ્યુ 0 બનતી હોય તો it's called a canonical product of sum. મેક્સ ટર્મની અંદરથી એનું આપણું પ્રોડક્ટ રૂપ બનાવીએ છીએ જેને આપણે કહીએ છીએ પ્રોડક્ટ ઓફ સમ. See representing here, that also called as a canonical product of sum. And above we are saying that standard product of sum, that's a three name, we can say that canonical product of sum, and we can say that standard product of sum. So suppose we are seeing the example, three max term of logical function y is equal to a dash plus b dash plus c is there, a dash plus b plus c dash is there, and a plus b is c there. So their decimal code we are getting 6, 5 and 0. Then POS can be shown as follows. આના પછીના રૂપમાં આપણે જોઈશું. પણ પ્રોડક્ટ ઓફ સમની આપણે વાત કરીએ છીએ તો એમાં 1 representing as a complement form and 0 will representing uncomplement form. Dash and without dash. We are seeing. So yes, here that function we are representing by the help of ascending order. Here we are writing 0, 5, 6 pi bracket mas 0, 5, 6. It will represent it M0, M5, M6, but the plus sign is there based on definition of product of sum, and that will be a product of max terms, different terms. So here M0 we are writing, here M5 is there and M6 is there. So M0, that means ABC. Where is ABC? Here is that. Okay, so it will be a 0. That means in product of sum it will representing 0 value, so on complement form. So here A, B, C is there. The decimal equivalent we are getting is 0. Decimal of equivalent we are getting from this function max terms A plus B plus C is 0. Now we want to getting M5. So M5 5 decimal is here. So you can representing these things A dash plus B plus C dash. So this is the common function we can say for identification of product of sum, and representation of M6 will be there. So A dash plus B dash plus C is here. The decimal number, equivalent decimal number is here, and this is a max terms. Okay, so that's basics of sum of product and product of sum. And 0, 0, 0 here, that will representing, it is a binary equivalent, we can say that. And from that we are getting a decimal equivalent. This is 101. It will a binary equivalent of that terms, max terms. And the decimal equivalent we are getting, it is 5. So that's representing here. Okay, so this is a very simple for our understanding sum of product and product of sum. Thank you very much, all of you.